Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to remove your background in OBS without using a green screen. First, open your browser and search for the OBS background removal plugin on Google. Open the first website you see and click on Go to Download. If you have a dedicated to external GPU, download the GPU version. If not, just download the normal Windows version. Once it's downloaded, extract the files to your desktop. After extracting, you will see two folders. Copy both of them, then right-click on your OBS Studio shortcut and choose Open File Location. Select the OBS Studio folder and paste the copied folders there. Now open OBS Studio and add your webcam as a source. Now click on your webcam source, go to Filters and under Effects, add the new background removal filter. As soon as you enable it, your background will be removed. If you are using a clean and plain background, the result will look even better without a green screen. You can also click on Advanced Settings to access more options and fine-tune the effect. If you have a good GPU, make sure to set the inference device to GPU for better performance. Adjust the setting until your camera looks the way you want. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.